Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a song as ringtone on your Android phone. If you're tired of the same old default ringtones here, I'm going to show you the easiest way to set any song, whether it's an MP3 you downloaded, a clip from your favorite artist, or a recording, as your custom ringtone on your Android phone. So first, you can go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find the sound and vibrations option. Then in here, you can just scroll down again until you find the phone ringtone options. Click on that. Okay, so as you guys can see in here, you'll see the system ringtones. It's not a song. It's just like a default song from your uh phone brand. So if you want to set a song, your favorite song, maybe as the ringtone here, you need to choose the custom ringtone option, and there you'll see this list of music or song from your device. So in here, let's say I'm going to choose a song that I downloaded. Let's say this one, the songs in here. You can click on the songs and then go back, and it will be saved automatically. So when you go back, now the song that you selected has been set as your phone ringtone. So that's really easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also comment and click on the thanks button below. I'll see you in the next one.